Non-stick pans have become an indispensable tool in modern kitchens, offering convenience and ease of cooking that many cherish. However, one common mistake that many make is using metal utensils on non-stick pans, a practice that can have detrimental effects on both the pan surface and, more importantly, one's health. Here are 4 key reasons why you should never ever use a metal utensil on a non-stick pan. Number 1. Scratching the surface. Non-stick pans typically feature a coating of polytetrafluoroethylene (PTFE), ceramic, or other kinds of chemical-based coatings, which provide the non-stick properties. Metal utensils such as spatulas or forks can easily scratch and damage this delicate coating. Over time, these scratches accumulate, diminishing the non-stick functionality of the pan and leading to uneven cooking and food sticking to the surface. Number 2. Compromising health and safety. In my opinion, this is the most important reason why you should never use a metal utensil on a non-stick pan. As the non-stick coating is damaged by metal utensils, toxic substances from the coating are released into your food. Scratched or damaged non-stick surfaces allow the underlying materials in the coating to leach into the food being prepared, exposing you to many health hazards. Number 3. Reduced lifespan of the pan. Non-stick pans are an investment in the kitchen designed to make cooking and cleaning easier. However, the use of metal utensils accelerates wear and tear for non-stick pans, reducing its lifespan. When treated with care and attention, non-stick pans can last for many years, but the use of metal utensils hastens the degradation of the non-stick coating, rendering the pan less effective over time. And at number 4, cooking experience and flavor preservation. Using metal utensils on non-stick pans can affect the overall cooking experience. Scratching and damage to the pan's surface can lead to uneven heat distribution, affecting the quality of the cooked food. Moreover, the release of particles from the damaged coating impart undesirable flavors to the food, compromising the taste and enjoyment of the meal. To preserve the non-stick properties of pans, consider using utensils made of softer materials such as silicone or wooden utensils. However, non-stick pans themselves, even when proper care is taken, do degrade, and the chemical-based coating loses its non-stick properties. I am sure many of you can relate to this, as your non-stick pans are guaranteed to lose its effectiveness over time. To solve all these problems, I would highly recommend you to switch to stainless steel pans, because you can use any utensil with stainless steel pans. Stainless steel pans are highly durable and resistant to scratches, dents, and corrosion. This durability makes stainless steel pans long-lasting and suitable for regular, everyday use. They can withstand high temperatures without warping or deteriorating over time. Stainless steel is also a non-reactive material, meaning it won't react with acidic or alkaline foods. This is especially important when cooking dishes that involve ingredients like tomatoes, citrus fruits, or wine, as it prevents any metallic taste from leaching into the food. An easy tip to prevent food from sticking to stainless steel pans is to oil them well and ensure that the oil is just about to bubble, right before cooking. Cleaning stainless steel pans is a breeze too. As a practical tip, I use the Scotch-Brite stainless steel scrubber for cleaning my pans. They are amazing and super effective in removing any stains on your stainless steel pan. In the kitchen, as in life, a little care goes a long way. And in the case of switching from non-stick pans to stainless steel pans, it can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for up-to-date notifications of these videos.